film and reporting for Katie Chads at the Hot Docs press conference in downtown Toronto. I'm here with filmmaker Jonathan Corbiere. How does it feel to have your film, The Life and Mind of Mark DeFries, at Hot Docs?
It's fantastic. I'm the director of animation on the film. The documentary has a significant amount of it that's animated. It's a prison film. You know, it's about this legendary escape artist, Mark DeFries, who was kind of wrongfully imprisoned in the first place, and then managed to escape, 10 to 13 times. So with the animation studio sort of creating the reenactments of a lot of those escapes and us being from Toronto, it's really exciting that we're having the world premiere at Hot Docs this year.
And having worked on this film and learned a lot about Mark, I presume, what do you think it was about him that got him to escape so many times? Like, how did he achieve that?
Yeah, well, the director of the film, Gabriel London, who's from New York City, found out about Mark through an investigation he was doing on the prison system in the United States, in particularly with regards to the parole system. And he found out about this prisoner who had kind of been imprisoned at a really young age for a crime that was non-violent, that he took his father's tools after his father passed away, but they were in the will for him, and he was still locked away for sort of stealing them, which was kind of strange. And there was kind of some insight through Gabriel's research that he found out that, there may have been some competence issues with Mark, and there may have been some issues with regards to how Mark reacted to stress and reacted to certain situations, which led him to all these escapes and do all this crazy stuff. So it was really, Gabriel learning all about Mark that sort of started the film in the first place.
And where's the best place for us to find out more information on the film online?
Yeah, so The Life and Mind of Mark DeFries, you can Google it. The first it'll come up with the website, trailers, all the information about it. Just search Mark DeFries. There's a ton of great articles on Huffington Post and a bunch of other, newspapers and magazines written by Gabriel London, the director himself, written by various other people, and the film deals with a significant issue of the U.S. industrialized prison system. And in particular the parole system and how that's really not working for non-violent prisoners.
Well, thanks so much and congratulations.
Thank you.
We'll just grab a quick photo.
Okay.